Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Tom. Got a quick one for you here. Oh, this package arrived. So cool. Using the CDC Salem. Chop this guy open. Wouldn't be an unboxing if I didn't cut something open, right? In case you guys haven't... What? Pink. That must mean only one thing. It's from CDC. If you guys haven't checked out the Salem, it is insane. Compound grinds, awesome jimping at the front, at the back. Crazy drop shutty. I mean, just what? Takes almost no effort. Anodized the clip on the back there myself. I like the little marks there. It means I put some work into it. But great frame lock, amazing action. I mean, just, oh, smooth. It's one of my favorite ones because you initiate the lock and then in one smooth motion, it's just, oh, without any extra shaking, just one little pop, and then you just slowly meet. Anyway, fantastic. One of my favorites. Anyway, we got a cool package from CDC. This is actually from one of the weekly little contests or giveaways CDC does in some of their chats. This one, I believe, was this was the VIP chat. If you're part of their monthly patch club, you get part of a VIP chat and get to chat with all the other members. And every week, CDC releases really cool YouTube videos about all the new products that come up. And one week, I believe, let me think. This past week was a Crusader, so last week was this maybe the martial arts one with EDCNC, I think, maybe? With the Munchkin? This may have been the Munchkin. But CDC has a really cool video about the Munchkin. I'll link it up here, either there or there, somewhere. And go check that one out. But watched it, learned about it, and then we had a little trivia giveaway chat contest where the admins asked questions about the video and, you know, kind of an elimination. So this is what arrived. Already opened it because I was just too excited. So let's check it out. Keep calm and eat donuts. Fantastic. Oh, man, that is I see that. That's such a rich blue. See that? That's a blue I like. That's a nice, deep, rich blue. Fantastic. Oh, cool little Hansen patch. Oh. Oh, those are awesome. Whoa. Take me to your leader, the claw. That's so cool. Penguins. Oh, man. Oh, it's like Ivy, but I can't remember her name from Toy Story. Darn it. That's a really cool poker chip. I have the pink one from Blaze Show. This one's really cool. I like that. Oh, there's more stuff in here. Alright, well, what else we got? Oh, whoa. That. Whoa. That's cool. Oh, man. Oh, I'm gonna put that on this guy. Here we go. Move that Meritech patch. Phone patch from kind of. Oh, yeah. Let's go on the work bag. That way when I get called out to a work site. Oh, yes. Oh, that is so cool. Whoa. Oh, dude. Oh, man. Thank you. Oh, CDC. Thank you, guys. Wow. Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys at CDC. Like I said, go check out their videos. They drop weekly. EDCNC, he's someone who helps out, does a lot of their videography. I know Barbarian Brawny does a lot of their photography. Yeah, great community, great people. Go check out their stuff. Thank you again. You guys take it easy.